Okay, what's up guys? Spoody Reactions here. This is a little different than other videos that we've done in the past, uh, because this is just a little thing for you, uh, if your computer's running slow, I can help you make it run a little faster. Alright, first things first, look down here. This is Windows 7, uh, but I changed my appearance for the whole thing, to like classic. While it doesn't help too much, it does make a slight difference that you will notice like as soon as you restart your computer. Just note now, restart your computer after you make these changes, and then you'll actually start noticing it. It's a lot, a lot faster now. Okay, so basically you just want to go to, your appearance and personalization. So you want to go to, oh, crap, no, I was already in it. Alright, so first thing that shows up here, basic and high contrast themes. Come down to the bottom. You probably are on Windows 7 Basic. Just click Windows Classic, apply, and there you go. So that's that. Next, this is a little thing. This will be in the description for you to copy paste, just so you don't screw this up. So open up Notepad. Oh, don't want to mess that up. Ah, stop. Alright. Open up Notepad. Now, copy paste in the description this. Okay. What this is a bunch of bullshit that I don't know what it is. Alright. But basically, it's going to tell your computer, because we're going to save this as a batch file, it's going to tell your computer to basically get rid of all of your it's hard to explain, but your computer keeps preference files or something like that. It keeps files of these programs that you run before to help them open faster when you open them again. But over a long time, if you haven't done this, which probably a lot of you haven't done this if you're watching this video, ever since you got your computer, that cache is just loaded with shit that you don't need anymore. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to go to File, Save As. You can just save this to your desktop. We're just going to call it faster. You can really call it whatever you want as long as you end it in .bat. Alright, so we're going to save that. You can just close out of this now. Alright, now we have this on our desktop right here. This is a little faster thing. Super easy. Double click, boom. Command prompt comes up for like a second. That's just because it was punching that in. So it's already done. You just did it. Alright, now you can just get rid of this file. You don't need it anymore. Okay. Another thing, empty recycle bin. That's a good idea. Doesn't help much, but it makes a difference. Okay, what else? Alright, you can come over to your control panel. What can you do? Oh yeah, uninstall. You probably have a shitload of programs, like I do. I have not taken the time to go through all this because it's a little time consuming. But basically, just sort it by like date used, like the last time you used that program, or just weird programs that you never used before, like Delta Toolbar. The hell is that? Uninstall, blah blah blah. Go through all of this crap because I know you probably have just as much as I do. Just go through everything that you don't use anymore and delete it because you don't need it. Alright, now shit gets a little scary if you don't know what you're doing. So, open up your files, come over to computer. Local disk is, well, whichever one has the biggest space. So, that's your main hard drive. That's where everything's being saved to. Right click, go to properties. Alright, so now we're in general. We're going to run a disk cleanup first. So basically, I already did this, so I don't want to do it again. Basically, it'll run that. It's just gonna... Well, when you delete a file, it's not actually gone. It's just temporary until it gets overwritten. So basically, what this is gonna do is just gonna completely get rid of all of your bullshit files that don't need to be there anymore. Okay, and yeah, so that's what that does. Next, we're gonna come over to Tools. You're gonna want to check the driver errors. So click whatever, check that now. Yeah. You can check both if you want. It'll just, yeah, scan for that, whatever. It won't take that long. If you're using it, which you'll probably get this too, just hit schedule disk check, so next time your computer loads up, it's just going to run that error check when you're not using anything on the disk. What else? Backing up, I mean, that's not going to help with your speed. Backing up is a good thing to do, probably on a weekly basis if you have important shit like I do. Like, I have every single one of our Kenshin videos on this drive, so if anything happened to it, I would be SOL. Defragmentation. This is actually a very good thing to do. I know the word defragment disk is really scary to some people, and this is also a little time consuming for your main drive, which is the only important one here. Your other ones like recovery, tool system, whatever, there's not really anything in that. Recovery is basically just your recycle bin. So basically what defragmenting disks does, it consolidates your fragmented files on your computer to improve the system performance. So basically, think of it as the leftovers of those temporary files you deleted that are just kind of just like sitting there collecting dust on your hard drive. It's just gonna consolidate all that to optimize the amount of space you have. And the more space you have, the more speed you have. So, I already did all this, so I don't need that anymore. That's basically all you can do for your hard drive. But that's, you know, it's always a good thing to do. Next, what you're gonna want to do. Okay, so you're gonna want to type in system config, and then it'll just come up system configuration. This is mainly for if your computer has a lot of problems starting up. So go over to the startup tab, and if you have like more than 3 checkboxes, you probably shouldn't. So right now I just have my like antivirus stuff to go when I first load up my computer. This, when you restart your computer for the first time after doing all this stuff, you will definitely notice it, because instead of having a metric fuck ton of like apps and shit running when you first start up your computer, just totally killing like your whatever, it just kills everything. You know, just have your important shit load up, and whatever, if you want to use it, then you can just load it up yourself. Don't be lazy. So, you know, yeah. Then, if you make those changes, hit apply, then okay. And after you've done all that, there's not really much else for you to do. I'll post a link in the description for a site that you can go to that basically just said everything that I just said. If you need a little more clarification, I don't know why you would. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial video. If you like this style of video, let me know, because I'm completely okay with making more videos like this. And since I'm kind of in the PC mood, you might see some PC Minecraft from the LavaCraft server. No, you probably won't. Just scratch that. I don't play Minecraft on PC anymore. Pixel art, though. If you want to see more pixel art, let me know in the comments, because I am always willing to do some more pixel art stuff, because that is like my pride and joy. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and catch you later.
Sam B. Shrunken head, broken legs, body parts on the concrete. Cut 'em up, butcher style gators in the swamp. Red light, leave 'em dead, running like a track meet. Scared of nobody, what your motherfuckers want. Believe me when I tell 'em I'm a boogeyman beast. Leave 'em slashed from their head to their feet. Pin bricks to the chest of a bitch, well fed, cooking meat, cannibal trying to eat. I got a zombie army, and you can't harm me. Yeah,